Hello everybody. It has been a long time. It seems like that's how I start all my videos lately. It's been a long time since I made a video, but it's true, it has been a while. Same old excuses, no reasons. I'm lazy, haven't been riding the bike a whole lot, haven't been doing a whole lot of much really with winter, and you know, I'm just now building up some vacation time, so you know, as always, we'll see what happens in the near future, whether I make any more videos. So you guys have seen Rebecca in some of my videos, and I'll go ahead and plug our other channel. We have another channel called the Ron and Becca Show, and I'll put a link up wherever if you want to go check that out. We've only got a couple of 4 videos or something like that up right now, but I started that channel just for our camping and backpacking trips, things like that. So I mean, might throw some motorcycle stuff on there too, we'll see. But yeah, life goes on. I've got about let's see here, 3 years. I got less than 3 years and 9 months or something like that to retire. You only have to give the government 5 years to be vested in retirement, so that'll give me, I'll be 62 and I'll be done. 62 and a half. I got to give the government another 6 months after my birthday to reach that 5-year mark. So it's all good. Then hopefully I'll be able to do all kinds of videos, right? As long as I'm not spending money, I should be able to have a good time in retirement. But we do plan, Rebecca and I, to retire close to the same time. She's probably a little bit behind me. She's not as old as I am. We're going to move to East Tennessee, somewhere in the corner. If you drew a circle from Irwin up to around Bristol, through Johnson City and over to Mountain City, and then follow the North Carolina border back down to Irwin, that's where we're looking. And we look at houses and property now, but it's a long way off, and we're looking forward to that, so we can be in the mountains all the time and not have to drive a couple of hours from here to go do some kind of backpacking or hiking trip. And we're both really excited about retirement life, so this should be a fun time. Today I am going on a ride with my buddies in the Brass Monkey motorcycle group. So I'm going to meet them in Culpeper, Virginia. It's just I think the 2 of us. I hope one of the guys wasn't able to make it because I forgot to bring something for him, but it's going to be me, John, and Scott. And hopefully we'll have a good ride up on Skyline Drive. As usual, I'll come back when there's something else going on, and hopefully have something cool to put on video. we have made it to Skyline Drive. May throw in some of that B-roll footage from us coming up the mountain a minute ago. A little bit spirited, not bad. I know Scott up here on that Aprilia could have really carved that road up pretty good, but you got John up front on that Moto Guzzi. He's an excellent rider. You can see he was throwing that Moto Guzzi Stelvio around like it was nothing. He's got a lot of riding experience. And I'm just on this big old Tiger, and I'm not the best rider in the world, I don't think, but I still have fun. It's not about how fast you can go, right? So yep, here we are on Skyline. Oh, look at the views are unreal. I can't wait to get out the backpacking. And here's our tunnel. You know you got to rev bomb the tunnel. The obligatory rev bomb. Oh, Scott's crazy. Notice that the leaves where I'm at are all fully out. Some of the trees are blooming already, but up here the trees are still bare. I wonder when the leaves start. Look at it. There's the valley. Check it out. You just can't deny how the beauty of this area. I'm so fortunate to have a road that cuts through here that we can enjoy, and the scenery and the twisties. You don't want to get target fixation and go that way. That would be a bad idea. I think that's the road up there. I think that's part of Skyline Drive that goes right up through there, over that mountain. Yep, that is it. We'll be going that way. Remember, if I close out this video, so I'll throw a bunch of B-roll footage in here. It was just a quick trip for us to meet in Culpeper, go for a ride on Skyline Drive and eat a bit of lunch. And we rode a couple of twisty roads on the way back, and we all split off and headed our separate ways back to the house. So yeah, it was just fun to get out on the bike. Hopefully I got something decent to make a video. I haven't published anything in so long, if I can remember how to do it. So I hope everybody's well and doing their thing and living a good life, and I'll talk to y'all again whenever I decide to make another video. Peace out, later, bye.